Stop scrolling. You're bleeding money. In 2026, AI prints cash, free, no coding, no excuses. First, ChatGPT, your AI employee, works 24/7, zero salary. Design once, get paid forever. First, ChatGPT, your AI employee, write a high-converting product description for a $29 fitness ebook targeting busy dads. Next, Canva AI, auto design, zero skills, create digital planners, post on Etsy, design once, get paid forever, move fast, get paid faster. Third, CapCut AI, auto one long video into 10 shorts in 20 minutes. Post K views, that's brand deals, speed wins. Finally, Make.com, this is the machine behind the money. It connects apps automatically, no code. Finally, Make.com. This is the machine behind the money. It connects apps automatically, no coding. Here's the truth. Average people scroll. 30-day AI automation challenge. One tool per week. No excuses. In 30 days, you're ahead of 95% of people. 2026 belongs to builders. Are you early or invisible? If you're serious, prove it. Hit subscribe. Turn on notifications so it's the next drop. Comment automate if you're building, not begging. No more excuses. No more waiting. 26 doesn't belong to watchers. 26 belongs to builders.